Hey, my name's shawnshawn. Today we're going to check out the top 5 things at the MOCA.
All right, so one thing about the museum that's really nice is it's a nice small size. It's big enough to see the art, but it's not overwhelming where there's 3-4 levels and you don't get lost there, you don't get bored. So it's just the right touch of just seeing one particular group show or art or one artist show. One of the nice features is they have seashells built into the whole front sidewalk, and also the plaza fountain barriers and the garden barriers, the little walls, they have little seashells buried in all of the sidewalk. So for parking, it's pretty easy. There's just street parking right next to the police stations, so pretty safe. And the police always decorate their car. One year it's gold, now it's camouflage, so instead of protecting the citizens, they're out there decorating their cars. One of the cool features that the museum does, I think occasionally, maybe once a month, they'll do, for the opening night, I think, they'll do nightly shows, probably during the non-hurricane season, obviously, probably in the January to May area. And yeah, it just has a little nice music feature for the local citizens. So the museum's really set up for kind of a one artist show, so you can get a really thorough look at one particular artist, or maybe a nice group show if it's related art. So I think for one person artist, it's really nice because you got maybe 10 walls you can put up. So quite a big, long feature of an artist and maybe their whole life story. Overall, I think it's a pretty nice museum. Could be a little bigger maybe, good parking, a little bit unsafe neighborhood, but I think it's a pretty nice, little small museum to go to, $10 to get in, so pretty reasonable, not like those bigger museums that'll be maybe $20 to get into. So I think that's a pretty cool thing, and I think there's also a student or teacher discount, maybe free, so maybe if you have a student or fake ID, then you can get in for free. All right, thanks for watching, guys.